If a spectator is injured at a sports venue, the venue's liability depends on the status of the injured plaintiff while he or she was on the premises. Imagine that a fan bought tickets to a professional basketball game. The fan paid extra for a courtside seat, which was a folding chair located directly on the court. While the fan was watching the game, a screw in her chair became loose and the chair collapsed. The venue knew that the chairs needed to be replaced, and the venue's maintenance crew hadn't performed any necessary maintenance on the chairs. When the chair collapsed, the fan fell to the floor and broke her tailbone. Is the venue likely liable for the fan's injury? Yes. A court would first need to determine the fan's status at the venue when she was injured. An invitee is a person who has permission from the defendant to be on the defendant's premises. Invitees are owed a duty of reasonable care, which means that a venue operator must maintain the property in a reasonably safe manner, including inspecting the venue for latent defects. Sports spectators who purchase a ticket to an event are specifically classified as business invitees. A business invitee is a person who provides a financial benefit to the venue, such as buying a ticket to a game. In contrast, public invitees are people who are present at public-owned property that has been designated for public purposes, such as a bike path at a public park. Venue operators owe business invitees and public invitees the highest standard of care due to their status as invitees. In this case, the fan was a business invitee because she bought a ticket to the game. The venue operator failed to provide a duty of reasonable care because the venue didn't inspect the chairs for loose screws, and the venue knew that the chairs needed to be replaced. Therefore, a court would likely find that the venue is liable for the fan's injury. Now imagine that the venue was hosting a free exhibition basketball game. Spectators could enter and leave the venue at any time during the event, and spectators weren't required to purchase tickets for the exhibition game.